Today I am going to demonstrate serverless application with AWS step functions. This is the lab 4. So let me go through everything, how I have done everything. Okay, so in the assignment I was told to do I was told to create two lambda function, one for recognition, the image detecting image labels and inserting the labels into the DynamoDB, and another one is to create the thumbnail of the same image. Okay, so this is the first project, first lambda function, which is, as you can see, the name is lambda recognition. I have set the name lambda recognition. This is a serverless application, so it doesn't contain the .sln file just like we used to get in the MPC application or web API applications. This is not an API, it's a serverless function which runs in the lambda of it is S3. So it doesn't have any solution file. It does have the chproj file, which is the project file. So this is the file and this is the function. This is the structure of whole thing. This is the JSON file. Here, as you can see, I have set the profile name and the region is US East 2. This is the configuration. This is the function handler. As you can see in the functions.cs, there are the code. Here I am setting the confidence. As in the assignment it was mentioned that store only those labels which are more than or equal to 90, the confidence level. So this is it. This is the function, this is the constructor where everything is setting up, and this is the main function handler. This is the S3 function where I am getting the input S3 event notification from the S3 bucket when I'm uploading it, uploading a file, and then here is the bucket name, image name, and it is downloading the file from that S3, and then it's processing the processing the image using recognition, AWS recognition, and then it is storing the value of the storing the labels in the DynamoDB. As you can see here, I am creating the construct, saving the values in the DynamoDB. That's it. Now this is the second function which is responsible to create the thumbnail of the image. So this is the second function. The name of the name I have given is image to thumbnail. This has the same configuration, US is 2, release, and the function handler. Now let me go through this once. So it is also getting the S3 event input, and it is processing, and it is getting the image from the S3 bucket, and then it is creating the thumbnail. And here, as you can see, it is again uploading the thumbnail in this bucket name, created thumbnail images. Now let's come to the AWS console. Let me show you everything. Okay, so this is the image for AWS recognition. Let me show you. So as you can see, this is blank, no objects are found. Now let me go to this is the bucket, created thumbnail images. This is the bucket where the thumbnail will be stored, okay, as you can see here, no images found. So I have shown you both the bucket, they are empty. Now let's go to the DynamoDB. This is the table name, image labels. Let me show you. Explore table items. As you can see, no items are there, so it is the empty table right now. Now let me show you one example by uploading a file in the images for AWS recognition. Okay, now let me upload an image. Uploading an image. Let me upload this ct.jpg. Upload. Now the upload is succeeded. Now you can see, and let me close it. So here you can see the ct.jpg, which is 70 KB. This is the original image. Now let's move to the thumbnail image. As you can see, this is the resized image, which is a thumbnail, which is the size of it is 8.4 KB. Let me download it. Look at this. This is the thumbnail of the same image. Okay, this is the thumbnail of the, so it means the assignment is working properly. I have done everything properly. Now let's go to the Amazon DynamoDB. Let me show you. Let's go to the DynamoDB. Let's go to tables, image labels. Let's go to the explore table items. Earlier I have shown you the table was empty. What happened? Okay, here it comes. Item returned 11. Look at this. IDs are generated and the label are coming here. Let me show you with another example. What is the maximum ID here? The maximum ID is 11, I guess. Yes, 11 is the maximum ID. Let me show you with another image. Let's go to the S3 bucket again. Let's go to the bucket again. Let me go image for, okay, let me upload another image. Add files. This is the New York City image of a New York City. Let me show you once again. Let's open it. This is the image. It will detect everything, man, car, everything it will detect. Let me upload it. The size of the original image is 149 KB. I am uploading it. It's getting uploaded. Okay, so upload succeeded. Close it. Now let's move to the created thumbnail images bucket. As you can see here, the resized NY image, NY PNG, which is, the size of it is 7.3 KB. Let me download it again. Let me download it. As you can see, the thumbnail is created. So now let's move to the DynamoDB again. So the last item was 11. The last maximum ID was 11. So for this image, from 12 ID will be generated. Let's see. Let's refresh it. As you can see, total return 27. As you can see, from 12 it is showing. If I no, as you can see, I have sorted 12, 13, 14, 15 and goes to 27. As you can see, so everything is working proper and fine. Now let me go through you that how I have done everything. Let me show you. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the bucket, and this is the source bucket. Okay, right. So when I'm uploading here, everything is working, post processing, and then uploading the thumbnail here. Okay, so let's go to here. So the trigger, the step function is starting from here. So what I had to do is, let's go to the properties. So what I had to do is, look at this, the event bridge, Amazon event bridge, I had to click on. By default it is off, I had to make it on, and then I had saved the changes. Okay, so this was the first step, and after that I had to go to the Amazon event bridge. As you can see here, Amazon event bridge, I have turned on it. Now the second step was to create a rule in Amazon event bridge. Okay, so this is the rule I have created. Let me show you the rule. This is the rule. So detail type object created means whenever a new file is uploaded in that this is the bucket name, this is the S3 bucket name. Whenever a new file is created in this bucket name, this event will fire. Okay, this event will fire. So this is what it is doing, the S3 step function. Now let's go to the step function. This is the as you can see, here is the target, and here as you can see the target, the type is step function state machine. Okay, so when I am uploading something on the uploading an image in this particular S3 bucket, it will hit this target. Type is step function state machine, and the ARN is this. ARN means nothing but a something like a unique identifier. Okay, so let's go to the so let's go to the step function to show you what is going on there. Okay, now this is the step function. Wait a second. So this is the step function. Let me show you. This is the step function. Now let me show you what is going on here. As you can see here, let me show you how it is done. So what the step machine is doing is, this is running two lambda function. Okay, first one is the lambda recognition, and the second one is image to thumbnail, which I have shown you earlier. Okay, let me show you the Amazon lambda function. Let me show you the lambda functions. As you can see here, there are two lambda functions, image to thumbnail and lambda recognition. This is what is done here. So first one is image recognition and the second one is thumbnail creation, and these are the ARN, which is the, as you can see, let me show you what is the ARN. As you can see here, it is showing the function ARN. Okay, let me copy it from here. Where it is, copy, I have copied it. Let me find. As you can see, it's getting matched. So this is the function name, this is the ARN of that lambda function, and then so first this one will execute, and after that this is the next, the thumbnail creation, then this one will execute. Okay, this is the image to thumbnail function. So this is how everything is working. As you can see, this is the flow. So this is how everything is working. So this is it. Thank you.